Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the password that you have entered is incorrect in Instagram. If you are using Instagram and you're facing the issue that the password you have entered is incorrect, so let's see how can you easily fix that error. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your App Store or Play Store and you have to try to update your Instagram app. So here you have to search for Instagram and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find try to update your Instagram, then go back, open your settings here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go back here, go for the software update section, and you have to try to update your software. And after doing that, you just have to go back, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting in the confirm from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network setting. If you have any issue with your network setting, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to open your settings app here, go for general here, go for iPhone storage, and here look for Instagram app. Try to delete your app, and after deleting, you have to reinstall the app. It will fix if there will be any bug or any issue with your Instagram app. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that the password you're trying to enter is incorrect. You just have to tap on this forgot password option here and you have to enter your email address or your username, or if you have created your account on your phone number, so you can also enter your phone number here. And once you have entered, tap on continue option here. It will send a reset code or an OTP on your phone number, or it might be sent on your Gmail. So you must have to enter the code here. And after that, your issue will be fixed, your account will be signed in. So just wait for the code. So once you get the OTP, you just have to enter your OTP here. After entering the OTP, just tap on continue option and then select your account name. And after that, your account will be signed into your iPhone or your Android phone. If you want to create a new password, you can easily create a new password from here to verify for next time. So after doing that, so your Instagram ID will be successfully logged into your iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device or any Android phone. So in this way, you can easily log in or access your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.